Okay, while I had some weight still in the truck from the lime rock, I drove back and forth to pack it down. And I was trying to pack down a lot of this stuff. So I did a little good here. There's still stuff that needs packing down. It's so soft. It was so soft, man. I just sink my feet in here. Just sink about a couple inches. But I'm trying to repair the damage. So far, not too shabby, but probably about another hour's work or so. Get it down to a bit better. It's Bogey! Yeah! He's been keeping me company, been giving me doggy kisses. Doggy kisses are the best kisses, in my opinion. So I'm still shoveling a bit and whatnot. And trying to get this stuff taken care of. Anyhow, this is progress I made in about an hour and a half. I figure I want to address this whole area here because I really want to get back up on that pad again, but you know, I could avoid that area, of course. Just don't drive. I could still drive around it, but me and my little dramas, I mean, seriously, what's life without drama, right? Jeez. Okay, well, I'm going to get back to work. This is going to be a video of several parts, so each part is going to be exciting and hopefully short, because it takes a while to upload this stuff, unfortunately. And so I know I'm kind of asking you guys to have patience to go through this part and that part and all these different parts. So anyhow, it's pretty much where I'm at right now. Took and pulled off from here and put it down here, and I'll pull forward and do some more. But anyway, I just want to give you a little progress report. I put a dent in it. Then I'm going to go get a canopy. I'm really determined. But I got to get rid of this stuff because I can't go driving around with freaking 1 ton of, you know, my tires and everything. Start getting low. You know, feeling the strain. So anyhow, I'm going to get back to work. My battery's running low. Alright, I'm running out of battery power, but I'm shoveling. Almost done. It's about 10:15 now. I've been working on it for a couple hours. Been making a little headway. So, not too bad considering. Just a little bit of elbow grease. Self-inflicted shoveling. Should be good enough for now.